All right, last, we're going to talk about how to write a square root and a cube root function based off of transformations. So this one right here says use the description to write the square root function g. So let me write the parent function or parent function equation. If this is f of x, they're asking us to write g of x. I'm going to put g of x. And 5 units left, that is going to affect h, and 2 units down, that will affect k. So if I have no a value, I don't put a number. If you want to put 1, that's absolutely fine, but it is not necessary. I do have an h value, so the square root of, it says left 5 units. So in here, I do the opposite. Instead of saying x minus 5, which is left, I'm going to do x plus 5. And the k value says to go 2 units down, and that's what it is. So going down 2 units means to subtract 2. All right, for the next one, it says use the description to write the cube root function g. Okay, so we have this one here, and once again, the cube root function is the exact same thing. The only difference is the index changes to a 3, but you'll notice the equation is the same. So the parent function f of x equals the cube root of x is reflected across the x-axis, so that's going to affect your a value. And it's translated 2 units to the right, which is h. So g of x, because once it's a g function, equals a. Reflection across the x-axis is going to be a negative. There is no value, so I'm just going to leave it as a negative. Write 2 units. Instead of x plus 2, we write x minus 2. So that's how you write these equations with the transformations in them.